Welcome to the course Digital Storytelling. My name is Luka Piškorec. Let's go and find some nice textures. Materials, textures. Concrete. Which one was nice concrete? Yeah, this one is potentially a nice concrete. Let's take this one. Okay, and maybe again this one here. Okay, so we have kind of two concretes, copy, paste, and yeah, let's just kind of transform it immediately. So I can do something like image. And let me actually think how to do this the best way. Okay, I want to create like some kind of a box or something like that. Okay, then I can duplicate this, duplicate layer. Okay, here it is. And image, edit, transform, again, distort. So I just want to create like some kind of a makeshift box, let's say. Something like this. Okay, and paste. So you can kind of, if you go here to transform, you can go to, I think it's distort, and then you're kind of pretty free in how you do things. So this is a vertical. It needs to stay vertical. This one here needs to go. Doesn't snap, but it doesn't matter. Okay. So basically, yeah, basically how you would kind of build it up on paper, you build it here as well. Something like this. This line here actually should stay vertical, but that's maybe good. Okay, almost there. And then just do another one here. Edit, transform, flip horizontal, and then again, let's go Control T. Oh no, actually it's edit, transform, distort. Okay, so I just want to create like a small sort of makeshift room. This one goes here, and this whole one, again, this one should stay vertical, so maybe like this. Okay, something like this. And I'll let's do actually one more. And this one I will also just distort. So apologies if I'm kind of extending your example, maybe unnecessarily, but as I said, I kind of like I like when sort of, if I show something, then I like to have an image that looks like something. So let's try to give it just a little bit of effort when I do this. Okay, so I'm kind of constructing basically quickly like a room. Okay, so this is some kind of a room. Just save it as a, I'll call it concrete box 210311. String concrete box. Texturing concrete box. Okay. Okay, and then now I can kind of, I can start doing things. So let me just first let me first, for example, change a little bit the shade of this guy here. Okay, maybe like this. So again, this is not really how you would kind of do it, but maybe something like this. Kind of making some just sides of it. Okay, something like this. And then what do we do with this one at the top? Okay, something like this. Okay, now I have kind of a very makeshift box. And now I can start. So let's see how I would do it. So, you could just draw a window here, maybe in the middle, like a square window. Or not a square. Let's do like a door. Yeah, let's do like a door. I think it's going to be a bit better. Like something like this. Oops. Okay, and now I can I can just kind of delete this. Okay, I can go maybe even a bit lower. Delete. Okay, and yeah, so now I would like kind of the light to come in. So I basically need this shape that I just cut out. So what I can do, I can go here, File, New Layer, and here I can just call it kind of door, and maybe it goes on top of everything. And I can use, well, I can use a color, and I want to maybe use white, and I'll just fill it up with this bucket. Okay, you can't really see that I filled it because it's you can see that I filled it because it's white, the same as the background. But this door here, so this is like wall, again, wall. Actually, this is ceiling. This is also wall. This is floor. Oh, floor, and this one is back wall. Okay, and then just these doors, or I will actually call it light door. Okay. Just a minute. No, actually, let's just call this door. And then I will duplicate it, duplicate layer, and I'll call it door light. Okay. So, okay, so this door I don't really need, but the door light I need. And I can distort it now. I can go again. So that's this. Again, you cannot really see it. It's a white rectangle here. And so how would I create light? Maybe again, we can distort this guy, transform, distort. So, comes into the room. Again, I guess this one needs to sort of extend a little bit because otherwise it doesn't really look realistic. Okay. And let's see what happens if I just change the opacity here. So yeah, this is this is one way of doing it. The kind of light comes in here. Yeah. Yeah, this is for sure one way of doing it. I don't think this is very good. This is basically just adding white as an overlay. So that's maybe not very good, but we can use the same one. Let me see. We can use that one to, let's see, so there's a burn tool. There's also a dodge tool. What the dodge tool is doing, dodge tool is, it is lightening the pixels. So there's a floor here. I can maybe actually just duplicate this floor copy. Okay, it's underneath and we don't see it. Okay, but I can now use this, again, this dodge tool to make this floor a bit lighter. And I think I can do it if I go here, midtones, exposure 50%. Let's see what happens. Okay, so this is, maybe a bit more realistic. And it's a bit realistic because it's a bit more realistic because I'm kind of lightening, kind of making it a bit. Okay, so you can either use white and an overlay, or you can use this. Dodge tool, and I just want to kind of, I don't like the edges, so maybe let's see what happens. Yeah, you can kind of, this is also, it's not that good, to be honest. I guess if you want to create like a glow effect, for example, glow around this door, then you can for sure do something like, there's a door here. And again, I'll just duplicate this layer, and I will call it door glow. Okay, and now this door glow, I can go under filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and you can see that now it's kind of is a bit sort of glowing, and I can make this even bigger. Maybe 25 would be okay. Okay, you can see that I kind of just added very roughly this glow around the door by basically, there's a like white square that I just blurred, and then these white pixels sort of they kind of go around. Actually, maybe I can do something like door light. This one here. Okay, let's see what happens if I just use the door light and then duplicate door light glow. Let's see what happens if I go with this door light and go full, and I also go here in the filter Gaussian blur. Huh. Okay, maybe not that nice. Okay, yeah, I can kind of make it sort of glow. I can make this light sort of glow a bit as well. Door light. Here it is. Okay, this one with this preview. Door light glow. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I can kind of play a little bit around with this to see what sort of looks best. Now this light that is coming on the floor is also glowing a little bit. I'm not sure if you can see it. This is the light, and this is kind of a little bit the glow around the light. Very kind of subtle effect. Okay.